What is up, guys? Welcome back to G's RC Garage. Today is going to be another epic day because we finally got the Revo 3.3 back in action. Thanks again for you guys that have been here before. For you guys that are new, this is my Revo 3.3 that I picked up used off Facebook Marketplace. It does have the stock 3.3 head, but I did recently rebuild it, so it has a brand new piston and sleeve. And then this is the first run where I just put brand new Acer Racing ceramic bearings in the engine and the clutch bell. The last run, my clutch bell bearings blew out because they were already pretty much shot to begin with. So I got it left. Nice. Uh-oh, that was not very good. I'm not sure what's going on there. That was not very well. So I went and upgraded with some nice ceramic bearings throughout that. We got the 40mm fan here on my custom 3D printed mounts. Got the perfect pass servo, controlling our servo, nice and snappy. Running this little LiPo battery here for my receiver, so it's a LiPo, so I'm getting 8.4 on my FlySky radio here. So I just have a little bit of telemetry. I got the temp sensor here going to the head, so I could basically have real-time display of my temps here. It's got RX voltage, which is actually this pack here, so I know my voltage all the time, and then obviously transmitter voltage and whatever, the other ones aren't really too important. Running the Morgan Racing Sidewinder fuel. Put a brand new wiring harness on there because the last one was looking a little shot and they were cheap, so figured why not. They're like a few dollars. Yeah, let's get this thing fired up, get a little ripping. Move the controller out of the way. Let me put you guys on the controller. It's much easier. Just put the body on. Let's put the body on. I'm just running the factory tune, but it seems like it's good enough, so. Right next to the freeway over there. Stopping. Alright, got the shell on. Let's give it a rip. I'm just at factory tuned. I'm basically half a turn in on the rich, or on the rich needle, on the high-speed needle, the factory needle. Should be around factory, so we're just gonna rock it, see what happens. Might be a little on the rich side, but that don't hurt anything. Get warmed up here. Well, I do have, because this is my FlySky radio, it does have the gyro receiver in there, so that is also in there. Ah, yeah, deuce me, baby. So, wow, since I heard that sound. Woo. Oh, I did swap out my glow plug too. So I was running just the Traxxas glow plug in there before. I found out that there's different temps apparently, so I swapped it out to a LRP R6, which is actually a cold plug. Because I don't know, every time I ran it, it was always getting high. It was always like 280-ish. I mean, I'm pretty heavy on the throttle most of the time, which is understandable, but trying to like keep it down where I can actually like get a nice rip in. So hopefully that's gonna help. Oh yeah, hook it up real nice right now. You got the ramp too. Let's bust the ramps out. And it's hard to beat brand new bearings in your engine. It just runs so smooth. Oh, as I speak of it, it loads up. Oh, shit. Oops. Oh, that still works. I had a feeling that was happening. This new glow plug though, I don't know if it's just because I got that tape on there, but it keeps popping off. So let me get that back on there. We'll be back in action. You. Adjust my angle here. Probably not the best angle, directly into this pole. We're actually gonna move, let's jump into the dirt, and hopefully we don't run into the curb. Is that gonna be too steep? A little bit, probably not the optimal angle. Come down a little bit. Let me put them on the piece of wood. That might be like perfect, actually. And if you miss too, you're not gonna die. Yeah, that looks pretty solid. Give that a go. Yeah. Ah, oh, that's smelling nice, yo. There we go. Two-speed, baby. Ew. I think I want to do a 2-speed. Hit the first go. Woo. Oh, monster truck saved me. Peppy. Yeah. Woo. I did gear up, I believe, 1 tooth on the clutch bell, mostly because if you go up 1, you actually get a bigger bearing. And I figure, you know, always bigger bearings. Why not, you know? Love watching this Richard work on this thing. Oh, big roll over. Ah, there's rock pile over here, that's new. Oh, that was rough. Revo, Traxxas stuff. Oh, power wheelie. Can't steer when the tires are off the ground. Oh yeah, it's staying so much cooler. Honestly, if you're running the stock Traxxas plugs, I'd definitely say it's probably one of these cooler plugs out, because I'm all those ripping, I'm staying right at 240, where like it was like 280. I'd have to like say, right, it is a lot cooler today. It's only 71. Beautiful Southern California weather today. Hope you guys are having a great day today, where you guys are at. Let me know, drop a comment down below where you guys are from. Oh, wrong one. One of these buttons is reverse. What the fuck is the reverse button? CC close, CC open, all start. This one, right?
I don't know. I don't remember which is my reverse button. Either that or it's not working. Big bar outlet. I don't know, which is the reverse button? Oh, this one. I have to adjust it. It looks like it's moving, but... Woo! New bearing definitely seems faster. Happy. Go for a fence back foot. I don't see anybody over anymore. We get first try. Oh, almost double. I don't know what that was, but that was kind of cool. Could be clean out though. Ah, or make it worse. Oh, just paying attention. I looked away. Gotta save that one. There's this very specific spot you gotta hit this to get to flip. Ah, terrible. Looks like I got the power. One more time. Ah. Whatever. I won't beat it up. If you want to see the back flip, you can go back and watch my shorts. It's on there. Oh my God, that was terrible. Poor Revo. Oh no, we broke her. Yeah. Well, all part of the game. Get in it now. Wonder why that wheel wasn't stopping. Oh, yeah. Are the metal drive shafts worth the upgrade, or will you guys just keep it stock? Let me know down below what I should do for the upgrade here. I think I'm just gonna end this little run on the Revo here. Glad to get it back out. Looks like I'm gonna have to order some more parts again, but that's just all part of the game. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Land out, let it out. Peace.